So you're very welcome back to the show. I apologise. There's no image now. It's just we're a desperate company to save money, so we can't afford lighting this time. Right? So we'd go with this. We can't afford lighting on this side of. Well, I don't know, is it the middle hemisphere, the western hemisphere, or the eastern hemisphere? But at this time of night, right, there's no lighting really. So I have enough lighting to see what I'm doing. Sun, western horizons. It's midnight and about 11:30. So this podcast is basically Snow Leopard Equity are giving predictions. So here's Snow Leopard Equity prediction. So Snow Leopard Equity is moving its headquarters to Manhattan. Manhattan is like Wall Street, NYSC, that kind of thing. Manhattan is Frankfurt am Main. We're a Citigroup Equity here. We're a subsidiary of Citigroup Equity for the last 6 months, but we're moving to Frankfurt very, very soon. In fact, so soon it's actually in 12 years' time, in 2036. All right, we're moving there to do other things. I plan on working in a German-Chinese factory. Right, so we'll be moving to. It's also like the Saint Empire, Holy Roman Empire Church. That's where Francois Premier was from. Frankfurt am Main, he built Sherbrooke. So we're moving home in 2036. So I'll explain to you why it is. It's because we're working for Lufthansa at the moment as well, and Infineon. Infineon are in semiconductor, and Lufthansa are obviously work for Boeing. Airbus, you can call us as well. So you might say, gee, if you work for them, you could be there tomorrow morning. That's obviously fabricated according to someone who doesn't know it. It's not though, you see. We're living on a base here, and there is scientists who stopped working in 1976 on research, okay, in our base. And we've got I don't know how many pilots we have in Lufthansa now. Maybe about 5,000. But they've only got 21 pilots left. The band 21 pilots. So the Irish Air Force only have 21 pilots left. So that's why they're called 21 pilots. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know half the abuse. And the other one, you stay in your lane, boy. We say what we want. Those kind of songs, So that's what it means. It means people who are born in the 1986, who were young men at this time when those singles were released. I guess it was when those men were about 26 in 2012 when those singles were commonplace. Were living in a reality that was being protected by 21 pilots. So having 21 pilots is the most laughable thing on the planet, really, because how can you have anything in science with only 21 pilots? You want a lot more pilots than 21 to win a scientific war. You must be the most laughable people. So Infineon, I was in a Hackasher market group in Infineon, having trained with a Romanian clerk in JavaScript before. That's why it's called Hackasher market, because we were hackers. We are hackers who were hacking people who were in Leakslip and in Holly Hill, also known as Intel Ireland and Apple Ireland, who were a very small amount of NYSE, Nasdaq, Intel, and Apple. So we're only hacking people who are protected by the 21 pilots. So this is two hacking groups, one Infineon from the Saint Empire, who were hacking people from the 26 counties who were in semiconductor, hardware, and software. And this is a hacker's war. So we'll win this war in 2036. The hacker's war for